What you are about to hear is not a rumor. It is the echo of a technological tremor that is about to shake the entire drone industry to its core. For 2 years, the competition has been stagnant. We've seen incremental upgrades, small batteries, minor sensor tweaks. But behind the closed doors of Shenzhen, DJI has not been sleeping. They've been forging a beast, a legend. We are talking about the mythical, the rumored, the utterly game-changing DJI Neo 2. Forget everything you think you know about consumer drones. The Mavic series was a masterpiece, but it was a warm-up. This, friends, is the main event. And I have proprietary information, a blueprint, a series of deep web leaks that paint a picture so revolutionary, it will make you question the drone you currently own. Listen closely. The single biggest complaint about modern drones? Range and signal integrity. The Neo 2 is not operating on the current OcuSync architecture. We are seeing documentation that points to a completely new frequency hopping system, codenamed AuraLink. Imagine flying 10 miles out, behind 3 major obstructions, and still receiving a crystal clear, 4K 120 frames per second live feed with zero latency. That's not a dream anymore. That is the bare minimum the Neo 2 is engineered to deliver. This is mission-critical reliability for the professional creator. Now let's talk about the lens, the eye of the machine. The Neo 2 is reportedly abandoning the standard 1-inch sensor for a custom-built, 2-inch micro 4/3 sensor developed in a secret partnership with a major optics firm. This isn't just about more megapixels. It's about light intake. It's about crushing low-light noise. Picture this. Golden hour footage that looks like it was shot on a cinema camera, or a nighttime time-lapse of a cityscape where every single star is a distinct, brilliant pinprick of light. The specs we're seeing? 6K 60 frames per second ProRes RAW. Yes, you heard that correctly. Raw footage from a sub-250-gram folding drone. This is a weapon for cinematic storytelling. But all of that power requires unprecedented stabilization. This is where the leaks get truly terrifying for the competition. The Neo 2 will feature not just the standard 3-axis gimbal, but a 4th-axis electronic stabilization system that dynamically counteracts yaw and high-speed vibration. The result? Footage so impossibly smooth, it will look like it's floating on air, even when you're executing high-G, rapid descent maneuvers. This isn't just smooth, it's hyperstable, a completely new category of aerial videography. The battery technology is perhaps the most shocking leak of all. DJI has cracked the code on solid-state battery technology. The estimated flight time, according to one internal document, a verifiable 45 minutes of aggressive flight, and nearly an hour in hover mode. Think about what you could film in 45 minutes. No more rushing the shot. No more pulling the drone back just as the light hits its peak. This is the end of battery anxiety. And the charger? A 100-watt gone fast charger that takes the battery from dead to full in less than 30 minutes. And finally, the features that will make this drone a viral sensation. Level 5 intelligent flight. The Neo 2 won't just follow you. It will anticipate you. It will learn your movements. The new omnidirectional AI, the obstacle avoidance system, uses 12 separate